Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll guide you on how to download Forza Horizon 4 on your PC. But before we continue, check the description for links to gaming mouse and keyboard options if you're interested. Now, let's get started. First, ensure that you have Steam installed. Steam is a widely used gaming platform where you can find and download tons of games. If you haven't installed it yet, head to the official Steam website. Click on the Install Steam button in the top right and follow the steps to install it. Once Steam is installed, open it up. If you don't already have an account, create one by selecting Create a Free Account. Just provide your email and set up a password. Once you're logged in, head over to the search bar at the top right corner of the screen and type Forza Horizon 4. The game should show up in the search results. Click on the game title to view its store page. To purchase the game, simply click the green Add to Cart button. Once the purchase is complete, navigate to your library. You'll find Forza Horizon 4 listed among your games. Click on it, then press the Install button. You'll be prompted to choose where to install the game. Select your location and hit Next. The download will start automatically. Once the download completes, a Play button will appear. Click it to launch Forza Horizon 4. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye-bye.